Open this up, folks. Come on through, man. We're not trying to hold you up. Get this right back up just a little bit, folks, just so other people can get through.
To bring you over to our side because you're already here. So you're just wasting your time
Really
in
need
all
it.
areas. No, you're not. Okay. Then you're going to keep shopping. For the holidays, where are you going to shop? Okay. Really? Oh, that's great. What's your name? Howie Mandel, M-A-N-D-E-L. Good to see you. My.com. You're on the My.com commercial. Is that okay with you? Great. This is probably one of the best commercials I've ever done. No, I'm telling you. You're just No, I've done a lot of commercials. You're making this My.com commercial great. Usually you do commercials to sell people on the virtues. You are already sold on the virtues. There's no reason. It's a My.com customer. Talking to the My.com spokesman. Nothing needs to be done here. Nothing needs to be done. You go this way, I'll go that way, let's spread the word. See you soon.
Thank you very much.